So you have a picture that has a lot going on. We have connected our Google Drive to our photopea.com account. We open up the picture that we know that has a lot going on that we want to crop. Well, how do we do that? So what we're going to do is we are going to go to our toolbar and we're going to locate the crop tool. There's several different options to choose. Mess around, play with them. Go to your crop tool that you see here. A new screen shows up, and what you're going to do is you're going to shrink it down to the size that you want, whoever you want to focus in on. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and press enter on your keyboard, and then you have a good picture. Control Z undoes it. You can also take the shift key on your keyboard and it will keep everything proportional. Nothing will stretch or be wonky. And again, while you're holding the shift key on your keyboard and you're getting it just to the right setting, press enter on your keyboard. Control Z to undo. You can always decide to go vertical with a photo. You can move the bars around to where you want it to be, and then press enter on your keyboard. When you're happy, you're going to go to File, Save either as a PSD or save to your Google Drive. Once it's connected to your Google Drive, it will automatically save over the original picture, and you are set to go. Hope that helps.